What is hemp? Is it legal? And what does it mean for you? Hey, this is Hannah, I'm medicinal herb farmer in Provence, France, and in this video I'm gonna talk about my favorite medicinal plant, cannabis sativa or hemp. Is it legal in your country? Let's find out. Hello again, this is Hannah. I'm an owner of Moonatic, a herb farm in the south of France. And if you want to find out more about our products, then go to moonaticprovence.com. So hemp, is it legal? What is it? You know, if you've been following me for a while, that hemp is actually only a legal or linguistic word for the same plant. It's still cannabis sativa. Hemp is a plant that has less than 0.3% of THC. THC is the psychoactive compound of cannabis, but it's the same plant. So it's cannabis sativa. Is it legal in your country? So when it comes to France, if you're expat in France like me, just know that you cannot grow hemp or cannabis if you're not a farmer and if you don't have a license. So farmers can grow hemp, and hemp is cannabis sativa with less than 0.3% of THC. It was before 0.2%, so now we have 0.3% and we are very excited. Haha. Switzerland has the legal content of THC set at 1%, which is amazing. Sister in Switzerland, if you're watching this, yes, you have 1%. When it comes to US or Canada, they are lucky because in many states, cannabis can be used for medicinal purposes and recreational purposes. You have to really check every single state because the regulations are changing constantly, and yes, you have to check it if you want to grow it. From January 2026, Czech Republic, which is our neighbor because I'm coming from Slovakia originally, Czech Republic has the possibility to use cannabis also recreationally. So if you live in Czechia, you can now grow 3 hemp or cannabis plants at home, and you can have 100 grams of cannabis at home. So when it comes to other countries, you really have to check the regulations because we want to be compliant, right? So if you want to grow something, you really have to check as well. A very important thing that you have to know as a consumer, that even if you don't want to grow cannabis, but you want to purchase CBD products or cannabis or hemp products, just know that hemp is a bioaccumulator. What does it mean? It means that this plant is amazing at absorbing all the heavy metals, herbicides, pesticides from the soil, which is amazing if you want a clean area around Chernobyl, but it's not amazing if you want to purchase products from hemp that has been grown in poor quality soil, full of heavy metals, pesticides, herbicides. So me as a farmer, I'm obliged to do testing, and I'm just working on a new course which is called Hemp for Health, and I'm providing really well-known and reputable companies that are known for their testing. Why do we do testing? Well, first of all, you have to make sure that legally you are under those 0.3% THC levels here in France. In other countries, there are different levels. You have to ensure that. And you also have to ensure that there are no heavy metals or pesticides or herbicides in your amazing medicinal plants. So if you're a consumer, make sure you check, okay? Check the testing on the pages that are provided from these companies. Okay, so that was a very short video on legal issues, regulations, and safe sourcing. And if you want to find out more, then I'm gonna release a course soon. So make sure you follow me here on YouTube at Moonatic Provence, and I'm gonna see you again next time. Bye!